How to send money from Steam wallet to friends. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. For that, first of all, you want to go ahead and simply open the Steam application in your PC, and you have to make sure that it is updated. Once you open it up, go ahead and log in to your Steam account. So in order to send money from Steam wallet to a friend, you want to make sure that that very person is added in your friend list. So you want to go ahead and tap on friends, then tap on add a friend. You want to go ahead and enter your friend's friend code or simply copy it and send it to them. Once the friend has been added, head back to Steam and then in the search bar search for Steam gift cards. Just like that, you'll only be able to send money to your friends through this gift card. So tap on send a digital Steam gift card, then select the amount that you would like to send. Once you tap onto it, you want to go ahead and simply search by your friend's name, and once you search for it and select it, scroll below, then tap on continue. And just like that, you'll then be able to send money to your friend. That ends the video guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.